Hello, teacher.
Hello, my dear Zhang. How are you?
I'm good.
Did you have your lunch
Yes,
already? Oh,
yes.
what did you eat?
Mm, I eat rice and meat.
Oh, okay. What is your favorite food?
Yes,
Okay, do you like meat,
yes,
right?
yes,
How about kimchi? Do you
yes.
like spicy food? Spicy with chili? Spicy.
But
Spicy, yes. Spicy with chili, like kimchi.
yes,
Okay, yes.
you-
Yes. Okay, my dear. For now, we will have a quick. It's like let's call it a game. Okay. Okay. Let's try this one. You will listen to the voice and you will repeat what the speaker said. Okay. Let's try. Okay. You will listen to the voice and you will repeat what the speaker said.
yes.
Okay, let's try this one. Okay, oh no, here. This is about travel. Okay, travel. Okay, first, what number one?
It is fun to take a trip to a faraway place.
Okay, let's repeat. Another one. Let's try.
It is fun to take a trip to a faraway place.
Mm. It's ear
One. Okay, let's hear it again.
It is fun to take a trip to a faraway place.
is a fun to worry.
Okay, it is fun too. Okay, let's try it again.
It is fun to take a trip to a faraway place.
It's a fun to trip for
To-
worry. Take away. Take a trip for a worry. A week
Far away.
worry.
Okay, there's one more word at the end. Okay, let's hear for the last time.
It is fun to take a trip to a faraway place.
For worry.
Place. Okay, she said place.
Place.
Okay, let's change it. Okay, let's check. Oh, okay. We did not include the oh. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, can you read this, my dear?
It is fun to take a trip to a faraway place.
Okay, very good. Okay, one more. Let's try.
My brother just went to Italy and France. My brother just went to Italy and France.
My brother
Oh no.
repeat repeat
Okay.
please.
My brother just went to Italy and France.
My brother to English.
Okay, again.
My brother just went to Italy and France.
My brother to English friend.
Okay. I think I heard my brother went
When
to
English
Italy. It's a
it
place.
yeah
And
friend.
Yes, and France. Okay, let's check if we got the correct answer. Oh, okay. We did not include the word just. Okay. Okay, my dear, let's read this one.
My brother just went to Italy and France.
Okay. Okay, one last try. Let's go for another one.
He got on a plane at Toronto Airport. He got on a plane at Toronto Airport. He got on a
He-
plane at Toronto Airport.
He came to he got to repeat this.
Okay.
He got on a plane at Toronto Airport. He got on a plane at Toronto Airport. He got on a plane at Toronto Airport.
He got uh okay.
A train, yes.
He got
And
He got on a plane at Toronto Airport.
oh, I heard plane, okay, instead of train. Okay, one last time.
He got on a plane at Toronto Airport.
and tried.
And run to airport. Okay, let's check this one. Oh, at. Okay. Yes, he got on a plane.
Toronto.
Oh, at Toronto airport. Okay. It's a British accent. Okay, so we couldn't catch the voice. Okay, my dear, let's read this one.
He got on a plane at Toronto.
Toronto. Okay, Toronto airport. Okay, it's a good practice, right? Okay, if we hear and if we listen and listen to these speakers, we can practice our speaking skills. Okay. Okay, my dear, let's go. Let's continue. Okay, let's go to our new lesson, lesson number 2. It's
Yes.
about
Why are you learning English?
okay. So in this lesson, you will be able to improve
Improve your ability to talk about learning English.
Okay, very good. Okay, so for the warm up, let's learn some new words.
Yes.
Okay. First word,
Reading.
Reading. Reading the act or skill of understand when writing word.
okay. Act,
Act.
okay. Written,
Written.
okay. It sounds like this. It can be read like this.
Written.
Okay. Yes, okay. Written. Again, my
Read.
dear, let's read this one, please. Oh, again, let's read this.
Reading the art or skill of understand with written word.
Very good. Okay, good job. Our sample sentence.
I always practice reading in my English lesson.
Okay, reading. Just like what this lady is doing. Okay, she is reading. Okay. And that's what you are doing right now. You are reading. Okay.
Yes.
Next word.
Writing.
Writing. Writing the art or skill of production
Producing.
producing written word.
Very good. Okay. Producing written words. Okay.
Word.
Our sample sentence.
My son finds reading or writing difficult.
Okay. How about you, my dear? Which do you find easy? Reading or writing?
Yes.
Okay, for you, which? Okay, which do you find easy? Reading or writing?
Same.
Oh, that's okay, very good. That's great. Okay. Okay, next word.
Speaking.
Speaking.
Okay.
Speaking the art or skill communicating information through speech.
Okay. Do you know what speech mean?
Speech.
Okay, speech. The way we speak. Okay, speech.
Speech.
Okay.
A library practicing speaking in my English lesson.
Yes, that's what we are doing right now. We are practicing speaking English. Okay.
Yes.
Next word.
Listening.
Listening. Listening the art or skill understanding spoken word.
Yes, okay. Oh, by the way, my dear, let me ask you. Okay, here. What part of your body you use when you listen? Yes. What do you call that?
I don't know.
Okay, it's called ear.
Ear.
Yes, it's ear.
What part of your body you use when you listen? Ear.
Okay, yes, it's ear. How
Yeah.
about when you read? Okay.
Như-
Okay. What do you call that?
mouth.
Yes, that's right. It's our mouth. Okay, good job. Okay. Uh, okay, reading and speaking. Oh, let's change this one. Okay. When we read, yes, we use our mouth and our brain.
Brain. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. When we speak, we use our mouth.
Mouth.
Yes. Okay, good job. Next word.
Vocabulary.
Vocabulary. Vocabulary a list of difficult or unfamiliar words and an explanation of their meaning.
Yes, very good. It's a list.
List.
Okay, list
List.
of words, unfamiliar words. Okay. Our sample sentence.
Let's start the lesson by learning some vocabulary.
Yes, okay, very good. Next word.
Grammar.
Grammar. Grammar the system of rules
And structure.
and structure of a language.
Okay. Sample sentence.
I spent a lot of time studying grammar.
Okay, grammar. Okay,
Grammar.
grammar is, for example, they are rules to follow. Okay, to make your English sentence correct. Okay, for example. Okay, for example, she What will you use? Is or are? Okay, here.
Eating. Eating.
Yes, that is grammar. What about if we use are? Is it correct or no?
Yes.
Okay, if we say she are eating, is it correct or no?
No.
Yes, okay, that is grammar, okay? Rules to follow to make our sentence correct. Very good. Okay, good job. Next word is here.
Pronunciation.
Pronunciation.
Very good.
Pronunciation is the way in which a particular word or language is spoken.
Yes, particular word.
Word.
Okay. Yes, okay, here.
Mm.
This one. Particular.
Particular.
Yes, okay. Okay, our sentence, please.
Reading allows a good way to practical
Practice.
practice your pronunciation.
Okay, pronounce it. This one is, okay, let me write this one. This sounds like, oh no, okay. Okay, let me change that. Here.
Spotty.
Yes, this one. Again, please.
Spotty. Bratty.
With S. Okay, take note here. Okay, can you say this one? Practice.
Practice.
Yes, very good. That's great. Okay. Okay, next word.
Spelling.
Spelling. Spelling the act or skill of
Correctly.
correctly ordering the letter of a word.
Okay, spelling. Can you spell bag? Can you spell the word bag? Okay. Can you spell the word bag? Okay, can you tell me the spelling of the word bag? Okay, it's B
Bag.
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 Okay, can you tell me the spelling? It's letter B. What's next? Bag.
B-A.
Yes. Next? Bag.
B-A-C-K. Q.
Bag. Bag. Not back. It's bag. Okay, B-A. Okay, let me help you. It's G. Bag. Okay, that is spelling. Okay, that's how we spell. Okay, one more try. Can you spell pen?
Pen.
Okay.
P. Pen. Pen. Pen.
Okay, let me help you. E. Okay, what is the last letter? Pen.
N. D.
Okay. E N. Is that right?
D.
Okay, pen. Okay, this is right. Okay, this is pen. This is how we spell pen. P-E-N. pen. Okay, so this is what we call spelling. Okay, we spell each of the letters. Okay, good job. Okay, my dear, let's continue.
Yes.
Okay, that is what we did. Spelling. We spelled the words. Okay, let's go here. Oh, you have to tell me if the words. Okay, excuse me, my dear. Let's add translation. Okay, so that you can get
Yes.
here. Okay. You tell me if the word is, yes, you usually practice it or you don't usually practice it. Okay, for example, here. Okay, let's read this one.
I usually practice reading in my English lesson.
Yes, here, the reading. Okay. Okay, next.
I don't usually practice spelling in my English lesson.
Okay, for the spelling. How about writing?
How about oh,
You can choose. Do you usually practice it or you don't usually practice writing?
I usually practice reading through a week.
Yes, okay. I usually practice writing in my English lesson. Very good. How about, okay, let's go to speaking.
Okay. I usually practice speaking every day.
Yes, that's great. Okay. We usually practice speaking every day. Next, how about listening?
I usually practice listening
In,
every
yes, good job. During our English lesson, we always listen. Listen, listen, listen. Okay, we always do that. Check. How about this one?
vocabulary. I usually practice vocabulary in every day.
Yes, good job. Okay. You can say, oh, this is a pen. Oh, this is a cell phone. Okay, that's vocabulary. Oh, this is a clock. Okay, I have a small clock here. Okay, that's vocabulary. Very good. Next one.
Grammar. I usually practice grammar.
Yes. Okay, in your English lessons, we always practice grammar. Next.
Pronunciation. I usually practice pronunciation.
Yes, pronunciation.
Pronunciation.
Again, my dear, pronunciation.
Pronunciation.
Very good.
Yes.
Okay. So, do you usually practice or you don't usually practice?
Yes.
What is your answer?
I usually practice pronunciation.
Very good. That's great. That's pronunciation, how we say the word. Okay, very good. Okay, for example, this one. Some people say practice. Okay? No, it's not. It's not practice. It's not. It's we say the correct pronunciation is practice.
Yes.
Okay, so that's pronunciation. Okay, very good. And the last one.
Spelling. I usually practice spelling.
Okay, in your English lesson, you usually practice spelling. Very good. Okay, good job, my dear. Next. Oh, another vocabulary. Let's learn some new words again.
Fun.
Fun. Fun proving enjoyment.
Entertainment.
Entertainment or amusement.
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 Very good. Okay, next.
Boring.
Boring. Boring. Boring, not interesting. Interesting or enjoyable.
Okay. Oh, by the way, do you find our class boring?
No. Fun.
Okay, thank you. Okay, that's boring. Okay, my dear, not interesting or enjoyable. Okay, next word.
Difficult.
Difficult. Difficult.
Okay.
Difficult, needing a lot of skill or effort.
Yes, difficult. It's very hard. I can't do it. It's very difficult. Okay.
Typing.
Oh, what subject in school? Okay, my dear, let me ask you. What subject in school do you find difficult?
Đó thì chắc là gì nhỉ? One minute.
Okay.
Physical education.
Can you
Phys-
can you write it, ma'am?
Physical education.
Oh, okay. Physical education. That's okay. Yes, physical
I like
education. Yes. There's a lot of activities. You have to learn to sing, you have to learn to dance. What else? You have to play balls, basketball, or oh yes, physical education. Okay.
medicine or table tennis.
Yes, you have to. Okay. But what is your favorite? Okay, let's do it. Oh no. Here, what is your favorite subject in school?
Môn học yêu thích là physical education.
Oh, that's okay. That's what you like. Okay, your favorite subject is physical education. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Here, like next.
Easy.
Easy. Easy, not needing a lot of skill or effort.
Yes. For example,
I have a very easy job.
yes. Okay. Okay, let me ask you again. Is your job at the cafe easy?
Công việc của bạn ở quán cà phê có dễ không?
Yes.
Okay, yes, that is easy. Yeah, so easy. Okay. Next.
Hard.
Hard. Hard,
Requiring.
requiring a lot of effort, work.
Yes. Okay, for example.
The instructions are complicated and hard to follow.
Okay, like this in the picture. Okay, he doesn't know what to do because it's hard. Okay, let's hard and difficult are the same.
Same.
Yes, they are the same. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, next word is
tiring,
Tiring. Tiring, making on feel the need to sleep or rest.
okay.
Working 10-hour day is very tiring.
Okay, yes. Oh, let me ask you again. How many hours? How many hours do you work at the cafe?
Bác làm việc bao nhiêu giờ một tuần? Một ngày 5 tiếng, 5 nhân 7, 35. 35 hours a week.
Oh, okay. 35 hours a week. Okay, that's great.
A
Okay.
day.
Next word.
useful,
Useful.
Use. Okay, my dear, let's say this. Use. Let's say the S. Useful.
Useful.
Very good.
Useful able to be used for a practical task
Particular task.
or in my many
Situations.
situ-
Okay.
situ-
Particular task in many situations.
practical task in many situation. Situation.
Okay. Again, my dear, let's read it all again, please.
Useful able to be used for a practical task or in many situ- uh,
Okay,
situ-
you can. Situations.
situation.
Okay, very good. Okay, our sentence sample. Oh no.
The information in this book is very useful.
Yes, okay. Can you use the word useful in your own sentence? Okay. Please use the word useful in your own sentence.
Hãy sử dụng từ hữu ích trong câu của riêng bạn.
I study English as useful trong cuộc sống. Useful.
Yes, okay, you can say I study English
Useful.
because it is useful. Okay, that's good. Okay, next. Next word.
dull,
Repeat, please.
dull, dull,
Dull. Not interesting or exciting.
Example.
The soccer game were very dull.
Okay.
Soccer.
Hãy sử dụng từ đau trong câu của riêng bạn.
Đau là gì?
Okay, my dear, please use the word dull.
Dull. Then don't.
You can do it. Okay. Dull. Oh, dull is the same as boring.
Boring.
Okay. Okay. Use it in your own sentence.
I don't draw.
Okay. You can do it. Okay.
I'm fun.
Okay, you try. Dull or boring.
I don't know.
Okay, or you can say the movie I watch
I was
is,
dull.
yes, or boring. Okay, that's how we use the word in a sentence. Okay, my dear, good job. Now, oh, you have to tell me if the words are positive or negative. Okay,
Yes,
let's start this one. First
positive.
word. Is this positive or negative?
Positive.
Okay, you can say Juan is positive.
Fun
Next.
is positive.
Okay, next word.
Boring is negative.
Okay, yes. Next.
Different or khác nhau. Khác nhau là
Difficult.
difficult. Difficult is positive.
Positive or negative?
Negative khác nhau.
Yes, negative. It's difficult. It's hard. Okay. Next.
Easy is positive.
Yes, very good. Positive. Next.
Has. Has is has là chăm chỉ. Positive.
Yes, negative. Next.
Tiring. Tiring is positive.
Yes, negative. Next. Okay, tiring. I'm so tired. I can't work. Okay. Next.
Positive
Positive. And the last one.
is negative.
Yes, good job. Very good, my dear. Okay, that's great. Oh, okay, we will continue this next week and I will give you a homework assignment. Okay?
Yes.
For you to
Yes.
practice. Okay. Thank you, my dear. That's all for this and happy afternoon. Bye-bye.
Good day. Bye bye, teacher.